Understanding and preventing video blur.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for any video enthusiast or professional: video blur. We'll look at its causes, and most importantly, how to prevent it from ruining your perfect shot.
What is video blur and what causes it?
Video blur typically occurs when the image in your video isn't sharp or clear. There are several reasons why this might happen. Motion blur. This happens when the subject of the video or the camera itself moves rapidly. It's a result of a too slow shutter speed, which doesn't allow the camera to freeze the action properly. Out of focus blur. This occurs when the camera lens isn't correctly focused on the subject you're shooting. Low light blur. This can happen in conditions of insufficient lighting. The camera opens its shutter for longer to allow more light in, which increases the risk of blur from even minor movements. Blur due to compression. This kind of blur is often seen after a video has been compressed or processed for uploading on digital platforms.
How can I prevent video blur?
Preventing video blur mainly involves understanding your camera settings and the conditions you're filming in. Here are some tips. 1. Use a faster shutter speed. For fast-moving subjects, increasing your camera's shutter speed can help reduce motion blur. 2. Focus correctly. Before shooting, ensure your camera lens is correctly focused on the subject. Use manual focus if necessary. 3. Lighting. Always ensure you have sufficient lighting when shooting a video. In low light conditions, consider using additional lights or reflectors. 4. Use a tripod or stabilizer. These tools can help reduce camera shake, particularly in low light conditions or when shooting at slow shutter speeds. 5. Choose the right compression settings. To avoid blur due to compression, choose a high-quality setting or format for your video when saving or uploading it. And that's a wrap. By understanding what causes video blur and how to prevent it, you'll be well on your way to creating clear and sharp videos every time. Thanks for watching, and keep those cameras rolling.